Okay, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for our P81 Smartwatch. First, we have here some preloaded watch faces. To change, let's see if the long press will work. Yes, we have at least 6 watch faces available for our smartwatch. We have 1, 2, this is an analog, 3, another digital, 4, 5, 6, and we have our previous watch face. So let's pick another one. Let's pick this. Okay, so it is an analog watch face with some details here such as steps, date, calories, and beats per minute. Aside from the preloaded watch faces, we also have available watch faces here on the Dafit application. Again, this is the Dafit application. Okay, so let's try and download an additional watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay, face gallery. So we have here some new watch faces. The categories are art, funny, colorful, modern, and classic. So let's wait for it to do download. So here are the available watch faces for our P81 Smartwatch. So we have new watch faces. Let's see if how many are available for our smartwatch. Okay, so we do have a very good list of watch faces here. So there's a lot of options as you can see. Okay, going back. Art. Let's see the art. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, at least 18 options. Funny. Okay. So more of a cartoon-like for the funny section of the Call Me P81 or the Dafit application. Then we have colorful. Okay, we do have a limited options here. Let's wait for it to download. Then we have modern. We only have 9 options. Classic. Oh, limited for the classic. So the section with a lot of options are art and new watch faces. So let's try and download one. Let's go to the new watch faces. So we already have this one, I think. Okay, let's check. Okay, I don't like the design here. Going for the art section. Okay, so let's have this one. Red Flame Time. Tap on this one. We have the description. 211 KB. Then let's try and apply. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. As you can see here, we have a progress bar. And our smartwatch automatically switched to download mode. And seems like we're done. And as you can see, we have our watch face. Very fast so far. Very good. Then, go back again. I'm looking for the custom watch face here. We have a custom watch face. So we have watch face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the face gallery. So we don't have it there in the face gallery. Instead, we already have it here. So let's tap on this one, edit. And we have here our permission. Allow Dafit to access photos and videos on this device. Allow it. Now you have an option to pick here. We also have an AI outfit watch face. We have choose from album. Let's try this one. Okay, so you need to record. Okay, we'll ignore this one. Will not use this. we'll just pick this one from the gallery. I think I want to install or use a photo from the album, then gallery. So we have here some images. Let's see. Okay, so from the gallery we use our own photo here, our logo for the smartwatch specifications. Tap on check. Again, check, and we have it here. So let's see. For the time, let's change the color of the time. Okay, you can adjust it from above, below. Okay, can we change this location? No. Below, just below. No center or right or left. Okay, date and steps we can change to heart rate. Okay, so these are the data metrics on the watch face. Then tap on save. So switching background, let's see. So far very fast on the installation and downloading. And as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded our custom watch face or custom wallpaper. And we still have our watch face here. Okay, so that's it for the watch face section of our P81 smartwatch. So we have successfully downloaded a watch face as well as a custom watch face for our wearable. Again, if you have any special requests or queries about the P81 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.